Actually, you can compare Mr. Vajpayee's relationship. Remember, Mr. Vajpayee was seen as a moderate. And it is true that the RSS, when he took over as Prime Minister, undid a major decision of who would be his finance minister. He wanted Jaswant Singh. He had to finally accept Yashwant Sinha. And this happened within, even before he was sworn in, with Mr. Sudarshan going and having dinner with him the previous night. But Mr. Modi's relationship with the RSS, even though he's been a Swayamsevak, he's been a pracharak to the Prime Minister, has been also, I would say, problematic in the last months and maybe a year or so. And as you said, this came to the fore when Mr. Nadda made an open announcement, public announcement, saying that the BJP was now large enough, strong enough not to need any hand-holding by the RSS, which upset the RSS greatly. And we all know it's an open secret that the RSS did not put its best foot forward to campaign for the BJP in the 2024 election. And one of the reasons why it was down to 240 seats. Now, subsequently, of course, things were different. But given this relationship, the RSS has wanted a greater say. The RSS has also been unhappy with the style of functioning of the government, and they feel that it should be a collective that makes decisions, not individuals, and that also that their views should be taken on board, particularly on organizational matters. However, after the election, there have been many parleys between the two sides. And the result was that the RSS came out very proactively and worked for the BJP candidates in the Haryana elections, Maharashtra particularly, and then, of course, in the Delhi elections, where there were large numbers of small group meetings that they held. And we know what the results have been. So the RSS has proved to the BJP leadership, if we put our best foot forward, you do well. If we don't, we hold back, then the party can lose ground. And I think that message has gone across to the BJP. So the Prime Minister's visit, I think, to Nagpur, it is not that he went to make peace. He had made peace and then went to Nagpur.